Please put your hands up if you bought Fiverr. Put your hands up if you bought Fiverr. I do. Stick with me. I will explain to you how Fiverr has performed in the last Q1 earnings that's caused the share to stock up to almost $50. So stick with me. I'll be back. Welcome back to my channel, Family Investment. My name is Alex Ko and I'm going to speak about Fiverr. If you're all existing subscriber on my channel, you've seen me speaking about Fiverr. This will be the 5th installment on Fiverr. I just spoke about Fiverr previously on how they went from $25 with a newsletter from the CEO talking about COVID-19 and how it's impacting the business. A very honest letter. And since then, on the 8th of April, the stocks has just been creeping up and up, hitting about 35 to 38. And with the earnings call that just came out on the 7th of May 2020, Q1 smashed all records. The numbers, the figures came in really positive, and it went as high as $50 per share. Imagine, back before the beginning of April, it was worth 25 and now it's worth 50. So within the span of at least about 5 weeks to a month, it would double in price. Simply because people never understood the business and how they were impacting. I'm glad that the newsletter came out, gave people like myself a bit of confidence, and now it's worth double. So it's hovering about 48, 50, 45. It's around about that price, but it's looking really sharply healthy. So let me break down with the figures for you today. You most likely be new investors thinking about Fiverr, or existing investor who wants to hear about my summary, my view of the facts that I'm going to present to you today. So basically, revenue has gone. Revenue back in Q1, if you compare quarter 1 and quarter 1 revenue, 19 is about 23 million and now it's 34 million. So it's almost increased by $10 million. And then if you compare last quarter and this quarter, it's increased from 29 to 34 million. So there's quite a substantial increase, especially when COVID-19, just within that last month of push, it just pushed sales revenue up. Active buyers have increased, not just in the US and Europe, but globally as well. When I say buyers, because Fiverr is a freelance platform, you need sellers, you need buyers. So for buyers to gain the confidence in the products, meaning the sellers to come in to buy stuff from professionals worldwide, they're increasing. Good rapport, good stuff are being said about Fiverr, sellers on Fiverr, it used to start off with really drastic embarrassment of stuff that you buy, but now with the quality increase in Fiverr, people are starting to buy. And not only that, the average increase has gone up and up and up. Average spend was $150 per user. Now it's gone up to 177. Imagine the 37 pounds difference multiplied by the number of users that have increased. It's a lot. People are buying more from Fiverr. People are getting confidence. People know they're buying from Fiverr to use it for the business. They can buy graphic design, website design, social influencer, advertising. You can offload your work to Fiverr now confidently. This is what the chart is telling me. Businesses are using. Small businesses who cannot afford a full-time person on the graphic design now can go on Fiverr and buy. If you don't like that designer, you can shift and change. It's like going eBay. So if you guys are thinking of investing in Fiverr stock, remember to go to Trading 212 here. And if you join Trading 212, you get one free stock and I'll get one free stock up to £100. So join Trading 212 and invest in Fiverr if you think Fiverr is a good company to invest. Thank you. By just buying services. So Fiverr is a genius. Fiverr is an absolute genius. And the take rate is 27%. So, the profit, 20%. It's just amazing to see Fiverr grow and evolve. Profit increase from 80 million to 27, and the net loss, they're still at a net loss. They're still not making profit. So, but the good news is Fiverr is officially a $1.5 billion company. $1.5 billion company. when I invest in them, they were only worth 700 million. Sometimes they're down to 600 million. They're worth double. So I've made substantial growth in a portfolio on Fiverr. But the key actions for you in this video is Fiverr a buy now? A lot of viewers are texting me. A lot of people who's watched my videos, who's followed my trail, who started buying Fiverr, asking me, is it time to buy, Alex? It's at 50, 48, is it time to buy? So this is me. For me, back before the earnings call, I felt that Fiverr was still around about the 32 to 35 mark, or maybe 30 to 32 mark, $32. So that's what I feel they're worth. But now they've hit with their revenues, they've proven the numbers, I feel I would only buy them around about the $40 mark. So if they drop under $38.40, I would buy Fiverr. Sitting at $48.50, I would hang on. Remember, with stocks and shares, investors pay for the future value of the company. Sadly so. You know, back in the books that you read, you have to buy intrinsic value. No, we have to buy the future values now. For me, the future value that I'm willing to pay for, it's $40, $38 to $40, which is what they're worth when they start making profit. At $50, it's forecasting. This $50 mark is basically forecasting them gaining the momentum until the end of 2020, Q4. This continues to go all the way to Q4, they're worth $50. Then slowly breaking up, making profit, then it's worth 50, 55, 60. That's how it's going, but that's the momentum route they're going. So for me, Fiverr is a buy, still at $40. It's still quite high just now. I've set the alert ticker on my phone. If it hits 38, 40, I'll still buy. I'll buy gradually 100, 150 shares. That's the stage where I buy it. The amount of Fiverr I own is 383 shares of Fiverr. I average around about, from memory, is about 26, 27. So that's me on Fiverr. Buy at that point, that's about 40 mark, and that's Fiverr's earning update for you. So look at my previous video if you like, but Fiverr, it's my millionaire stock. It's doing a lot better than my Tesla stock. Honestly, I don't make money from Tesla. I can't seem to catch them at the bottom. Too volatile. But Fiverr, it's an easy one for me, the vision for the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe and hopefully see more Fiverr news in the near future. I think this is one of my core topics now on my channel, Fiverr stocks. See you later. Enjoy. Have a good day. Bye.